Today, I'm going to add a real professional sound generator to my homemade Z80 computer. This chip is the Yamaha YM2203, also known as the OPN. It was used in legendary computers like the PC8801 and in many arcade machines in the 80s. This integrated chip combines two different sound technologies, three SSG channels, compatible with the AY38910 style, and three FM channels based on frequency modulation synthesis. That means we can generate classic 8-bit retro sounds, as well as much richer tones like pianos, brass, or other expressive instruments. I decided to name this sound card the FM Blaster. In this video, I will design and build a complete sound card from schematics to PCB, dive into the details of the SSG and FM sound engines, and finally, play a full piece of music on my Z80 computer. After testing everything on a breadboard, I designed a dedicated PCB to properly integrate the chip into my computer. The FM output of the YM2203 is digital and requires an external digital to analogic converter. For this, I use a YM3014. Then, to amplify the signal, I added an LM386 audio amplifier. I designed three separate audio outputs: a direct speaker output, a line level output, and a headphone output. To protect your ears, the headphone output includes a 4.7 kΩ resistor and a 47 nanofarad capacitor in series, reducing the signal level. I also added a front panel potentiometer to control the master volume. The SSG block is very similar to the sound generators found in many 8-bit computers. Each channel has a frequency register, a volume control. The envelope generator is shared across all three channels. Sound is produced by configuring the internal registers of the YM2203 through the Z80 bus. To make experimentation easier, I developed a small tool that allows me to adjust parameters in real time: the frequency, the volume, the envelope, and the noise generator. This allows me to explore different combinations and create more interesting sound textures. I also program a player to load SSG music file, combine informations, and play the music. Now let's move on to FM synthesis. Unlike the SSG, sound here is generated through frequency modulation between multiple operators. Each FM channel of the YM2203 uses 4 configurable operators. By adjusting the connection algorithm, the ADSA envelope, the frequency multiplier, and the feedback, we can create much more complex sounds. Here are some examples of sounds generated purely by configuring the internal registers. And now the most satisfying part. I coded a program to read the text file listing the notes of the 6 FM plus SSG channels. The music is generated in real time by the ZAT.